For those of you that have a really short attention span, don't worry guys, just stick around. It's only going to be 6 to 7 minutes long, and I'm going to tell you guys about my findings along my discovery and experience of using the DJI Mini 2. I have the combo pack here that I'm going to be showcasing, so stick around. So first things first, obviously we need to talk about the things I love about this drone. So I had the DJI Phantom 4 back in 2016. I had it for about 2 years and I got fed up and I sold it. It was my first drone. The app wasn't so great. It was a very glitchy app. It used to drift a lot. I hated the drift. That was the thing that really annoyed me. Whenever I connected this to my iPad or my phone, the DJI Phantom 4, it would show so much interference. Those are the reasons why I gave up. And when I picked up the DJI Mini 2, I was very impressed. This is a very incredible drone. So much punch packed into such a small shaped, it's the size of a phone guys, a regular phone, an iPhone 11, any phone, right? Look at how compact and portable it is. You can put this in your pocket, you can put this in a laptop bag, a handbag, your man bag, put it in the glove compartment of your car, your van, your truck. It is a very portable drone, and that is one of the biggest selling points for me to make good videos as a one-man band or in a small group of 2 and 3 people running around in high pressure environments, running off the fly and trying to grab shots in a time-sensitive manner. For me, this is a no-brainer. Ease of use is amazing. It's so good guys. You could give this to a photographer, you could give this to someone who has no idea about video, you could give this to someone who has some basic knowledge about video gaming, and allow them to get some really good shots. So with the gusts of winds and the horrible weather that we get in Britain, I think this drone does a pretty good job in comparison to the drones in the past. And I think they implemented this new software into the Mavic and the Mavic Pro and just the previous generation of drones that came out in the last year or 2. But yeah, there is so much less drift on this. It handles the wind very well. Once you get your hands on this and you take this out and take it out into the park, maybe into some open space in a field or so, you will notice how much more of a smoother ride this is. The app is very good. It is really easy to use. Okay guys, there's no finicking around with turning on your Bluetooth or turning on your Wi-Fi. You just need to take out the lightning cable. This is for Apple users. You just need to take out the lightning cable and plug it into your joypad and you are good to go. There is nothing more to it. For those who use Android and have a USB-C connection, the package comes supplied with USB connectors, so there's nothing to worry about there. £500 is a lot of money. I'm sure a lot of you can justify that by buying maybe a brand new phone, a laptop, computer. You could buy a custom build for £500 and put it together yourself, or even a camera. So, you know, that is a big purchase for someone who is just an enthusiast or someone that's just a big time procrastinator. Another thing I really like about this drone is that it is extremely lightweight. I think it weighs 250 grams. It's roughly the same weight as an iPhone 11 Pro, which comes in at 226 grams. So you have 250, 226 grams. You probably won't even notice the difference holding it handheld, but this thing is very light guys. I am very impressed with the stability because it can hold itself really well up 350 meters into the sky. So guys, there are a few things that I'm obviously not gonna like. There is no slow motion capabilities on this. I'm not someone that uses the automated features inside the software. I really like to use the drone manually. But there are other YouTubers out there talking about this, so feel free to go onto their videos and get that information for yourself rather than going in the comment section of my video and telling me how I missed out on those features. Tell me something good guys. Tell me my lighting looks good. Tell me my visuals look good. Tell me my audio sounds good. Tell me something good. The battery life is amazing. Nothing different from previous drones. It lasts around half an hour. I could say I've already been through about 3 batteries now, so yeah, you are going to get about half an hour on it. If you put it in sport mode, you probably get less, probably get 20 minutes. But one thing to note is if you get the combination pack, the batteries, they charge sequentially. They do not charge simultaneously, guys. They charge sequentially, one after the other. So you're not gonna have all three batteries in the charging hub charging all at the same time. That is a big disappointment. They did that on their previous drones as well, and their previous chargers, and I was not happy about that. Guys, you need to sort something out with your charger and make something happen. However, a good thing to know is you can now charge this in your car, and you can charge this pretty much everywhere. It has a USB-C connection. It is very compact, practical, and there's no faffing around. I am incredibly pleased with this drone, guys. This has been a major improvement to my video production. Now, let me tell you guys why I bought this drone. I am trying to tell a story. I am not someone that wants to go out there and fly the drone for hours and hours and hours and get bored and probably put it up on eBay. For me, this is a tool that's gonna help tell a story, and I think it's gonna do a very good job at that. Regardless if it doesn't give me slow motion, it doesn't matter. It gives me 4K at 25 frames per second, and I'm very happy with that. I just wanna say, guys, I have never been so pleased with a product, honestly, in such a long time. There are products out there that have been really revolutionary this year, such as the A7S III, Canon, Panasonic. They've all come out with some great cameras. However, this has been a really exciting piece of tool to add to my arsenal. It helps me get paid. It helps me get the shots for my clients. So I have no complaints there, guys. Two more things I want to talk about, guys. Number one, there is no tripod mode on this. However, they do have the cinematic mode on here. The cinematic mode just makes me happy. It does a very good job of it. And I think it is a very cringy and cheesy term to name that mode, cinematic. The footage that you get in this camera is not designed for you to use in the dark. It's not very good, guys, but it has come far from the DJI Phantom 4. I could say that there is less grain. If you do have to use it in the dark, there is less grain. Not so.
أعوذ بالله من الشيطان الرجيم.
بسم الله الرحمن الرحيم. ألف لام ذلك الكتاب لا ريب فيه هدى للمتقين الذين يؤمنون بالغيب ويقيمون الصلاة ومما رزقناهم ينفقون والذين يؤمنون بما أنزل إليك وما أنزل من قبلك وبالآخرة هم يوقنون أولئك على هدى من ربهم وأولئك هم المفلحون إن الذين كفروا سواء عليهم أأنذرتهم أم لم تنذرهم لا يؤمنون ختم الله على قلوبهم وعلى سمعهم وعلى أبصارهم غشاوة ولهم عذاب عظيم ومن الناس من يقول آمنا بالله وباليوم الآخر وما هم بمؤمنين يخادعون الله والذين آمنوا وما يخدعون.
So guys, I really hope you liked this video. If you found it helpful, and if you really like the visuals that I've put together in this video and the effort that I've put through to make this video for you guys, please subscribe. Don't forget to subscribe, guys, because if you don't subscribe, you're not going to get the latest on my videos and my content that I put out there. You guys will be the first to receive a notification. So click the notification wherever it is on your phone or your desktop screen. Just click the notification sign so you guys can be the first to know whenever I publish a video. All right, guys, follow me on Instagram. Stay connected, guys. I'm going to be posting so much more content, and I hope to see you guys in another video.